So next topic is the highway construction, highway failure and their maintenance and drainage of highways. Okay, so how to construct the highways, okay, what are the different courses of highways and how to maintain the highway, that going to be discussed in this topic. Okay, so content, highway pavements, highway failure causes, highway failure types, highway maintenance, material used, highway maintenance includes highway maintenance material and conclusion. Okay, so introduction. A highway is any public road or other public way on land, a main road, especially one connecting major towns or cities. The first highway has constructed on Long Island, New York, in United States in 1911. Okay, so highway pavements, basically flexible pavements, rigid pavements. So bituminous pavements is called as flexible pavement, and the rigid pavement it is cement concrete pavements. Okay, so on the right side of the image you can see rigid pavement, that is the natural formation, then formation level, then subbase, and then concrete slab, that is the rigid pavement, cement concrete roads. And on the left side you can see the flexible pavement, that is bituminous pavement with the natural formation, then formation level, then subbase, then base course, then surface course and surface dressing. Okay, so this is the constituents or different levels of the highway construction. Okay, so these are for the flexible pavement, that is a natural level, a natural formation, then formation level, then base, subbase, then base course, then surface course and surface dressing for the flexible pavement. And for the rigid pavement, that is a natural formation, formation level, subbase, and then concrete slab. Okay, so what is the highway failures, what are the main causes of pavement failure? So due to high variation in temperature, that is one of the major important cause of failure of highways. Next, uncontrolled heavy axle load. Next, inadequate stability. Next, loss of binding action and poor design and fabrication of highways. So these are various main causes of failure of pavements. Okay. Next, highway failure types. Okay, so what are the failure occurs in highways? Okay, so basically there are four major types of pavement failure. The first one is crack, that in longitudinal cracks occur inside the pavements. Next, surface deformation, that is called as rutting. Next, disintegration, that is called as pothole, which appears over the surface of the pavement. Next, surface defect, that is called as bleeding. Okay, so these are the four major types of pavement failure occurs in highways. Next, cracking. The most common types of crackings are fatigue cracking, longitudinal cracking, transverse cracking, block cracking, slippage cracking, reflective crack, and edge cracking. So you can see this image and picture which indicating the different types of cracks which occurs on highways. Okay, so surface deformation. So surface deformation, it is a pavement deformation, the result of weakness in one or more layer of the pavement. Okay, so why this surface deformation occurs? So because of due to weakness of one or more layer in the pavement. Okay, so the basic type of surface deformations are rutting, then corrugations, then shoving, then deflation and swelling. So these are the different types of surface deformation. So you can see this is the peaks of surface deformation occurs over the surface of pavements. Then disintegration. So these are the different failures in pavements. Okay, so disintegration, it is nothing but the progressive breaking up of the pavement into small loose pieces is called as a disintegration of that highways and pavement. If the disintegration is not repaired in its early stages, complete reconstruction of the pavement may be needed. The two most common types of disintegration are the potholes and patches over the highways. Okay, so this is what the images of the disintegration of highways. Next, surface defects. So surface defects are related to the problem in the surface layer. The most common types of surface distress are the reveiling, then bleeding, then polishing and delamination. So this is the surface defect. Okay, next, highway maintenance. Okay, so how to do the maintenance of highway? So the function of preserving, repairing and restoring a highway, that is nothing but highway maintenance. Why it is essential for? It is essential for to preserve the road in its originally constructed condition, to provide user safety, to provide efficient, convenient travel along a route. So these are that's why we need to maintain the highway. Okay. So for to maintain user safety, to provide efficient, convenient travel along a route, and to preserve the road in its original constructed condition. So these are the different material which required or which material used for the maintenance of highway. So the first one is concrete, next bitumen, next asphalt, next gravel, then mineral filler and the tar. Okay, so highway maintenance include so physical maintenance, traffic service activities and rehabilitation. Okay, so physical like a physical maintenance, so physical maintenance such as activities like a sealing, patching and filling joints. Okay, so these are the physical maintenance. Okay, so filling of joints and filling of patches. Okay, sealing, so sealing, patching and filling joints, these are the physical maintenance. Then traffic service activities including painting of pavement marking, then removing snow, ice and litter. These are the traffic service activities. Next, rehabilitation includes restoring or betterment of roadways such as resurfacing. Okay, so this is a rehabilitation of highways. So these are in the maintenance of highway. That is maintenance of highway include these all physical maintenance, that is filling and patching of highways. Then traffic servicing, that is the removing of snow, ice, litters and pavement markings. Then rehabilitation, that is the resurfacing over the pavement. Next, types of maintenance. Okay, so the various maintenance functions include the surface maintenance, roadside and drainage maintenance, shoulders and approaches maintenance, snow and ice control, then bridge maintenance and traffic service. Okay, so surface maintenance. So periodic reshaping of road surface to ensure proper drainage and traffic passage. Purpose of road surface maintenance: to provide safety to users, improve road performance, lighten maintenance cycle, lengthen maintenance cycle, and reduce maintenance cost. These are the purpose of road surface maintenance. Next, benefits. What are the benefits of surface maintenance? It creates a tightly packed road surface. It reduces dust generation caused by the grinding action of large loose stone under traffic, minimizes loss of road material to erosion, give a pleasant view. Okay, so these are the different benefits due to the surface maintenance of highway. Next, roadside and drainage maintenance. Okay, so clearing and cleaning of drain, that is roadside and drainage maintenance. Then reshape, regrade ditch and line drain. Then clear manhole and underground pipes. Then erosion repairs, these are the different roadside repairs for the highway maintenance. Next, shoulders, obstruction wash onto the shoulders should be removed. Vegetation control, then reshape or regrade shoulder surface to the correct level. Then snow and ice control. Ice reduce coefficient of friction between tires and surface, make vehicle control almost impossible. So snow from the roads should be removed to reduce the chances of accident. Okay. Bridge maintenance. Exposed steelwork must be cleaned and repainted. Cleaning and resealing of deck joint. Damage to guardrail must be repaired and strengthened. Resurfacing of deck. Score around and under piers and abutments should be removed. Next, traffic services. So the installation of stop sign and other signs, repair of traffic signal, pavement marking. Then conclusion. So what are the conclusion of the highway maintenance? That is, the highway pavements plays an important role in convenience and warning direction. Then there should be better management from time to time to keep the pavements in good condition. Designing of pavement should be upgraded for better climatic resistance. So this is about the highway failures and how to do the maintenance of highway and what are the different causes of the failure of highway. Okay, and how to maintain the surface and the side shoulders and drainage of highways.